Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make Methi Malai chicken. It's an amazing dish made with fresh fenugreek leaves and chicken in a rich and creamy gravy. So first let's marinate this chicken with some salt, pepper and some yogurt. Mix it nicely and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Into a pan add some butter. Once the butter gets melted, add a little bit of oil and add in fresh fenugreek leaves. Saute it on high flame till all the moisture is evaporated. Now our methi leaves is cooked well. Keep it aside. Let's prepare the chicken gravy. Into a pan add some oil. Add in whole spices like bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon and some cloves. Saute it for seconds. Then add in ginger and garlic paste. Saute and cook it till the raw smell goes. Now into that add in onion paste. Saute it and cook it nicely. Once the moisture gets evaporated and oil starts to separate, add in the marinated chicken and mix it really well with the onion paste. Once it is nicely mixed in, add in cashew nut paste. I made this paste using 10 cashews soaked in hot water, blended and made a fine paste. Mix it really well with the chicken. Add in some salt and pepper powder. Mix it. Now cover the pan and cook the chicken. Don't forget to mix in between cooking because it's quite thick and creamy, could otherwise burn on the bottom. Let the chicken pieces cook until almost done. At this point the chicken will release water, but still if you find it dry you can add some hot water to it and mix it. Now add the cooked methi leaves. Mix it with the chicken and gravy. Finally add some fresh cream. Mix it and bring it to a boil. And our Methi Malai chicken is ready. This creamy, rich and thick chicken gravy curry, delicious to have with rice and roti. So do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.